Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove Jotform branding from your website. If you're using Jotform for your forms and want a cleaner, more professional look without the Powered by Jotform label, this tutorial will walk you through exactly how to do that. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, you'll need to log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your Jotform account. This is the foundation for all the customization we'll be doing today. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. Here you'll see your profile picture or avatar. Go ahead and click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with several account-related options that let you manage various aspects of your Jotform experience. From the drop-down menu, click on Settings. This section houses all the configuration options for your account, including billing, preferences, and branding settings. Once you're in the settings area, you'll need to scroll down through the different options available. Take your time here as there are quite a few settings to navigate through. As you scroll, keep an eye out for the Jotform branding section. This is where you'll find the controls for managing how Jotform displays its branding on your forms. Once you locate it, you'll see a checkbox next to the text "Show Powered by Jotform on my forms." This is the setting that determines whether or not the Jotform branding appears at the bottom of your embedded forms. Now here's the important part you need to be aware of before proceeding. In order to uncheck this box and remove the branding, you'll need to have a paid plan. Specifically, this feature requires a bronze plan or higher. If you're currently on the free starter plan, the branding will always show on your forms, and you won't be able to disable this option. The checkbox will either be grayed out or you'll receive a prompt to upgrade your plan. If you do have a bronze, silver, gold, or enterprise plan, simply uncheck the box next to Show Powered by Jotform on my forms. Once you do this, the changes should save automatically and the Jotform branding will no longer appear on any of your forms moving forward. This gives your forms a much cleaner appearance and helps maintain your brand identity without external labels. And that's it. You've successfully removed the Jotform branding from your website forms, giving them a more professional and customized look. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.